Fibromyalgia is complex. It affects a number of different systems in the human body in complex ways, including the neurologic system, the hormonal system, the immune system, the inflammatory system, the vascular system, and some patients with severe fatigue also suffer with mitochondrial problems. Pain is, unfortunately, a key feature of fibromyalgia. Pain in fibromyalgia doesn't go away like some pains. Pain that can go away is called acute pain. Pain that doesn't go away is called chronic pain. Let's consider how pain works and the pain pathway. It starts with a stimulus, like a scrape to the knee. From here, the pain nerves take over and they send the message to the spinal cord, and then the spinal cord sends the message to the brain. At the brain, there are pain areas that light up and interact with other brain systems like emotion and cognition. Our pain system is a warning and protection system. Pain sends a message that something is wrong. Pain pathway goes in both directions, up from the nerves to the brain, and then the brain sends a message back down to the area of pain. The brain tells the painful area that it got the message, and it's okay to turn down the volume on the pain. When something goes wrong in your car, then the engine light warning comes on. Our pain system is much like that. But what if the warning system in your car is malfunctioning? What if the engine is fine and the warning system is broken? In fibromyalgia, this is the problem of pain. The warning protection system is broken. In fibromyalgia, the pain system is sensitized to stimuli and the pain is amplified. Touch and nerve pains become sensitized because the constant pain results in extra nerve endings sprouting and because the neurons are firing too much. When a muscle gets exercised a lot, it gets stronger. In chronic pain, the pain system gets exercised a lot and so gets stronger or more sensitized. But in this case, it's not better. Wiring starts to get mixed up and a light touch can start to feel a lot more like pain than just a light touch. The spinal cord starts to have problems as well. Glial cells are support and helper cells for the brain and spinal cord. Chronic pain causes glia to become sick, gliopathy. So the signaling to the brain gets amplified and the pain volume gets turned up. The brain starts to change in a negative way because too many pain signals are being processed. This is a bad kind of neuroplasticity. This constant pain becomes neurotoxic, i.e. toxic to brain cells, affecting other parts of the brain like the hippocampus, which controls memory, and the prefrontal cortex, which is in charge of higher level thinking. Let's look at this graph that shows the difference between pain for the average person and a person with fibromyalgia. Just a little touch and there is zero pain for a person with normal pain sensation, but then it scores very high for someone with fibromyalgia. A stronger pain stimulus, like a punch, registers for the average person, but is off the charts for a person with fibromyalgia. In a functional MRI scan, we see the brain lighting up with pain just a little bit for the average brain, whereas in the brain with fibromyalgia, the pain areas light up more. The pain these patients are feeling is very real. At the Complex Chronic Diseases Program, we try to alleviate patients' pain and help them better manage their pain.